Hi, welcome to Mr. Mac Works. Well, I also did a lot of loader work as well. Here in front of you is a mid-70s John Deere 644B. I did lots of work on this with this particular machine in both of my past careers. I used this particular model lots on when I worked at the organic orchard I worked at many years ago, and also later on in my beginning days of working for road maintenance. Very good machine as well. I did lots of work with it. Just can't beat the old loaders. I mean, they're pretty skookum for what they were, and probably one of my favorites as well for running old loaders. But yeah, lots of work, and way back in the late 90s and early 2000s, when I just finished up. I was getting towards the end of my career at the organic orchard. I started using this machine mostly for mixing manure piles, and that's mostly what I used it for. And then later on, when I got hired with the house department, I actually worked with the house department throughout the mid-90s too, to current. So I got lots of heavy equipment experience through my years, and this brings back a lot of memories running this old machine. Anyways, thanks for watching. Remember to comment, like, and share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content coming up soon. Bye for now.